studies, a written panel offers several advantages, including easier and more cost-effective access to a hard-to-reach audience. By establishing a relationship with panel members over time, we can gain a deeper understanding of their needs, preferences, and behaviors, and can develop more targeted and effective solutions. Um, it is important to keep panel members engaged and motivated, for example, by offering incentives. In this case, we offer £100 each month, which is £1,200 in 1 year, as my initial message said, by staying committed to be part of this panel. Participants are also committed to take part in 4 sessions per year, approximately one every quarter, allowing us easy access for research and able to maintain a consistent level of engagement, keeping the panel active and valuable. So this means that you will take part in 4 interviews throughout the year, and we will of course let you know in advance so you can plan your schedule.
All right.
It can also happen that we will not require your profile for a specific research session, so you will not participate. However, you will still get the compensation, well, the monthly compensation, because you are committed to be part of the panel. Lastly, interviews will cover many topics about how you currently use and engage with financial data and analytics tools, such as your experience using these different tools, your current needs and expectations, feedback on new and potential features, and ideal product features. So all the research is based on your point of view, what you can provide as a consumer, as a user. So you will be representing yourself, not your company. That means that you are not required to share sensitive information or anything that compromises you with your company.
Okay,
Okay?
got it.
Do you have any questions so far?
So there will be any portal kind of like we'll have to conduct this entire process, or
Yes, there will be a contract. In case you qualify and you meet the criteria we're looking for, we'll send you an agreement so you can review it and sign it. And yeah, that will be our contract.
okay. So and what would be the timings for this?
Um, the timings. The client is, well, our researchers are based in the UK. So for every session, the timings are from 9 a.m. approximately
Uh,
until 6 p.m.
9 a.m. IST or UK?
UK time.
Okay, so let me check 9
So
a.m.
that's a 4 hour and a half difference with you.
Hmm, got it.
Mm-hmm. Also, when we run a round of sessions, they don't take in a single day. They usually take 1 week, 2 weeks, so there's plenty of time for you to check your availability and to choose the right time slot for you.
Hmm, got it.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. So let's go through the questions. We will see if you fit the criteria we're looking for, and also you will have a deeper understanding of what we're trying to do.
Okay, would you please wait for a second? Let me close my door behind.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we can
Okay.
continue. Yes.
So, which, if any, of the following tools do you use as part of your job? Here I have some options, so you just have to say yes or no after each one of them. Financial data and analytics.
Analytics.
Okay, it's in general, financial data and analytics.
Okay, would you repeat the question again?
Sure. Which, if any, of the following tools do you use as part of your job? And the option was financial data and analytics.
Analytics.
Yes, analytics. Okay, so is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Which of the another option, risk management tools.
Which management tools, please?
Yeah, risk management tools. Is that part of your job?
Uh, Not yet.
Not yet, okay. What about accounting and financial reporting?
Mm, they are using SAP somewhere, or they have their own portal. But
For example, manage financial statements, track expenses.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Okay, no problem. What about customer relationship management?
Yes, they are dealing with the customer relationship for their calls and therefore management these, dealing
Okay.
with their clients.
What about social media management?
Mm, Social media management, we are using web scraping for that.
Okay.
Hmm,
And project management software.
Not sure.
No, okay, no problem. Which of the organizations below best describes the organization you work in? Academic institution, bank or financial institution, investment or asset management firm, risk management, government agency, hedge fund and private equity firm, insurance company, law firm, or financial advisor company.
Above that option, insurance company.
Insurance company.
Uh,
Got it.
just above that option. What was that?
The third option,
Yes, I think fourth.
investment,
Just above
investment.
insurance company.
Oh, above insurance, hedge fund, and private equity firm.
Yes.
Does that one apply?
Yes.
Okay. So which one applies the most? Hedge
Mm,
funds and private equity firm or insurance company?
I think insurance company, private insurance
Okay,
company.
let's say both. No worries.
Hmm.
How large is the company you work for in terms of employees?
They have 4 like 20,000 employees all over world.
Oh, which of the roles below best describes you? I have like 25 options here, so why don't you tell me your job role and I'll look for it.
So I'm as a Power BI developer and soft machine learning engineer.
Mhm. Does API developer suit you?
API developer, you ask, no?
Yeah. Yes.
No, it's a ML developer and data analytics kind of data scientist, Power BI analyst.
Okay. Data scientist. Mhm. Okay, next question. Which of the following functions, if any, are you responsible for? Acquiring, cleaning, and preparing data for analysis.
Cleaning, because we get.
This is just one single option. So it's either yes or no.
Okay, so we do cleaning for our customers and means visualization and getting information, applying
Mhm.
statistics out of it.
Okay. What about exploratory data analysis to gain insights and understand the characteristics of data?
Yes, we are doing that.
Yes. Develop mathematical and statistical models to extract insights, make predictions, or solve complex problems.
Yes, we are predicting something like how many people are supposed to deploy while for the next shift. Like they have huge call center, and in call center they will have to call people for calling. So how many people
Okay.
they are supposed to
Mhm.
manage in the next shift.
Okay.
So they are doing this
So,
management purpose,
okay. Got it.
predicting number of employees, manpower there.
Mhm. What about code and develop software applications to implement quantitative models pricing algorithms, risk management tools, and trading strategies. They use programming languages such as Python, C++, R, or SQL.
We use Python and SQL both.
Mhm. So would you say yes in general to this option?
Yes, yes, that applies.
And use bulk feeds or databases to generate models and extract insights.
Yes, we do.
Yes. Okay. This was the category, the data scientist category. I just I want to ask you about the developer category, just in case.
Mhm.
So these are the options. Again, which of the following functions are you responsible for? The first one, building applications and systems that rely on external services, data sources, or functionality provided by APIs.
Building application, that first one.
Okay? Again, this is a general option,
Okay.
so it's either yes or no.
Yes or no?
So would you say yes? Okay,
Yes.
got it. Optimizing data retrieval and formatting to ensure high performance and scalability.
Is it again yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Mhm.
it applies for me.
Implementing error handling and monitoring mechanisms to ensure the reliability and availability of feed processing systems.
Yes, we do.
Yes. Collaborating with data providers and stakeholders to understand their feed requirements and deliver solutions that meet their needs.
No, not really, because we generate our own data set.
Okay. Keeping up to date with industry standards, best practices, and data provider documentation relative to API development and feed processing.
Yes, we do.
Identify and resolve issues related to API integration, including debugging errors and investigating data inconsistencies.
Yes, we do.
Yes. Perfect. Okay. Next question, thinking specifically about managing financial data and analytics tools, which of the following descriptions best describe your role? Again, yes or no options. I find suitable financial data content to meet the requirements of the business.
No.
Okay. I facilitate the data integration in my organization. I trial the proposition, adjusting it so the end users can get the best usage out of it.
Yes, that applies.
Mhm. I use financial data and analytics tools and interrogate the data to make informed decisions and generate revenue for my company.
Yes, we do.
And I supervise my company's data systems and networks. I deal with performance issues, maintenance, system resources, and service billing support.
No, no, not that level.
No, no, okay.
My
Still
my
thinking
my
about,
reporting manager do so.
okay. Still thinking about managing financial data and analytics tools. Which of the following descriptions best describe the data you and your company use? Here I have three options, and you can only choose one. We use large data sets, which typically includes a full history of trends. We use smaller data sets, which typically shows data in the here and now, or we use a mixture of larger data sets and smaller data sets.
The first one, we use larger data set,
Large.
and we means we are taking 25 years old data sets sometimes.
Okay. Which of the following financial data and analytics propositions do you currently use as a business? APIs,
Uh, Next option.
database solution,
Mhm. Uh,
bulk data feed. and on-prem,
I think second one.
database solution.
Yes.
Okay, is that the only one?
Yes, only one.
Got it. Which of the following financial data and analytics platforms do you currently use as part of your job? The options are LSEG, which includes Refinitiv and Icon, Bloomberg Terminal, FactSet, S&P Global Market Intelligence, and Morningstar.
Not sure. We
None of the above.
No, we use Power BI, Tableau, SQL.
Which one?
Power BI, Tableau, SQL Server.
Tableau. Can you type the name of the other platforms that you use, please?
Yes. So Tableau is given from
Yeah, I know that one. I'm not sure about the others one that you mentioned.
Power BI, SQL Server.
Power BI SQL. Got it. And the last question, which of the following steps are you involved in when acquiring, trialing, and consuming financial data and analytics tools? Financial data platforms reach out to me and offer a proposition. I share content requirements with providers and deal with any recommendations from the provider. No. I receive a welcome email for trial.
I think this one applies.
Okay. I'm recommended a package by your representative and given a trial to try out.
Don't think so.
No. I look after the contractual terms with the provider.
I think this applies.
Okay. I sign the contracts for financial data and analytics tools.
I think so. There would be contract based.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I receive an introductory email linking me to my new account.
Yes.
I get involved in any onboarding or introductions from the provider.
Yes.
I administer entitlement licenses, set up connection to files, authenticate any entitlements.
No.
I set up entitlements to users and also manage any alerts, notifications, access or configuration, and monitoring.
No.
No. I connect and access the files and manipulate the data for the final user.
Yes.
I manage licenses to users and service accounts, generate reports, cascade alerts, and notifications.
Yes.
Yes. And I get support from the relevant support teams.
Yes.
Okay. I also forgot to ask you, how old are you?
You asking my age?
Yes. Yes, your
30,
age.
37.
36. Got it. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Sachin, for sharing all this information. I will talk to the team to make sure that you qualify. I was just concerned about the option about platforms that you said that you don't use any of the above and you use Tableau, Power BI, and SQL. So I will let them know.
Would you repeat
Yeah,
that question again?
sure.
Like options.
Which of the following financial data and analytics platforms do you currently use as part of your job? And the options were LSEG, which includes Refinitiv and Icon, Bloomberg Terminal, FactSet, S&P Global Market Intelligence, or Morningstar.
No. None of these.
Okay. So let me talk to them and see if we can accept people that don't use these
Sure.
platforms, but use another platforms.
Yes.
Okay. I also wanted to ask you. So you said that you are a developer, not exactly API developer, but you are a developer.
Yes.
And also data scientist.
Yes.
And which one of those do you feel is more suitable to you?
Like machine learning engineer, like kind of data scientist, you can say.
Okay. Would you feel comfortable if, for example, you are selected to be part of the panel and the client decides that developer suits you better?
Yes.
Would that be okay for you?
Would you come it again?
Would that be okay for
Yes,
you?
that will work for me.
Okay, perfect. So I will try to give you an answer probably tomorrow morning. In case you qualify, I will send you the agreement over email so you can review it, sign it, and hopefully sign it as soon as possible because the next round of sessions will be, I think, this week.
Okay. So this would be technical again?
I'm sorry?
That would be technical again?
There will be, what do you mean?
Like, I mean, so there will be second round for this qualification?
No, in case you qualify, that will be it, and you will be part of the panel.
Got it.
Okay?
Got it.
Do you have any other questions?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you very much again for your time. Have a lovely night.
Thank you, Delina.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.